We're going to call this my birthday special. It's actually Sunday. You're going to see this Wednesday, but that's just how it works out. But I'm going to record this today. But I'm out here playing cars for my birthday. Best birthday ever. And I want to share with you something that I thought was really, really cool. And I thought you might find some appreciation in it just the same. So check this out. And what it is that I'm going to share with you, this is the first time this car has been out in the sun since I got it painted and polished and buffed and put back together and looking like you see it right here. Now, this thing has come a long ways from where we started from, but I'm just going to shut up, walk around, and show you what this thing looks like and let you form your own opinion. I know it's not perfect, but I will say for what I had to work with, where we started at, and painting it in the garage, I think that came out fantastic. And it's going to work out really great for a fantastic driver quality or show quality, I guess you could say, and have some fun with this old car. This thing was destined for the dumpster. The lady I bought it from sold to with the idea of it was going to be a parts car. I saw more potential, and so did the guy that I sold it to, and this is what it's become now. So whenever someone says it can't be done or you shouldn't do it or it's not worth it, yes, you can. No problem. Because even my car over there, that thing was rusted in half. You open the doors, and it folded in half. You had to jack up the center of the car to get the doors to shut again. Again, destined for the dumpster. Nobody wanted that thing. I think I paid $2,000 for it. It was that bad. But now look at 12,000 miles and 6 years of driving. Having a lot of fun doing it. And, of course, now creating another one, like a twin to that car there. So I don't know about you, but I'm really thinking that's looking really sharp. I spent the whole morning here cutting and buffing and polishing and really bringing that thing to a nice showroom shine the best that I possibly could. And remember, this thing's been assembled into the garage, so it's not perfect, but pretty close. But with that being said, I was thinking maybe some of the videos here from this point on out on this car. Well, let's just say maybe you did paint your car yourself. So what's the next step? How do we assemble or finish up a car that's like this? So maybe you didn't paint it. Maybe you had a shop do that for you, and you got delivered a car back that's basically an empty shell with the drivetrain. So the next few videos, I shouldn't say few, quite a few videos, you're going to be putting this car together as if maybe you just painted it or it just came back from a paint shop. I got the Ram Air pans to install. I'm working on doing that video, convertible top, all that stuff. So basically, we're going to call this little stretch the home stretch. What's it take to get a car back from paint back to on the road and operational? And we'll go through all the systems, the wipers, the door handles, the hood latch, and make sure everything is worked as designed or better. And we're going to go through this thing as a checklist and make sure everything is in working order. Now, this is a complete, they say, overhaul nut and bolt restoration. Maybe we don't always do that, but just in case you get into something this big, that's where we're going to get into doing a lot of videos on putting this thing back together. Like the interior here, there's basically nothing for an interior. Yes, the floor shifters in here to make the thing operational, but we've got to do the wiring, the carpet, the sound deadening. When it comes to the firewall, we've got to put all the guts back in there on the dash. Got the stack gauges yet to do. Convertible top frame. I've got the parts sandblasted and some of them painted and ready to go, but we're going to assemble the frame and get it all adjusted so it actually operates up and down. So these are all the videos that you're going to be seeing. Wiring for the taillights, cleaning up the taillights, overhauling an instrument cluster here, or the panel, making it look good. We're going to recondition the dash pad because I can tell you what, this dash pad is in phenomenally horrible shape, severely cracked. But we're going to recycle the original because I can tell you right now, the repops are just not any good. So we're going to wrap that one kind of like I did the Great Pumpkin. We're going to do another vinyl wrap job, but we got to fix all the cracks first. And then this Mountain O parts. We need to sort them out, go through them. I can actually go through this box and tell you where all this stuff goes, but maybe you don't know because maybe you bought the car in pieces or maybe the body shop tore it apart. So I'll go through and identify some of these bits and pieces, and we'll start putting this thing back together. Okay, so this isn't necessarily a super long video for a Wednesday. It was just more like, what did I do on my birthday? This is what I did. I polished a bird, not a turd. She might have been a bit of a turd. She was destined for the dumpster, this car. It was rented. The owner sold it to me for parts, and we decided that the new owner, it was worth saving it and bringing it back to this point here. So plenty more videos. So thanks for watching up to this point. Appreciate you following me, the comments, the channel growth, and doing really good and having a great time sharing the story of these cars, and then looking forward to finishing this one and working on the next one, which will be a 68 convertible. And then after that, I have a GTO Judge that needs to be done. I actually dropped some hints to the wife that maybe I was going to sell that. Ooh, I got shut down quick. She says, absolutely not. I'm not allowed to sell that. So good for everybody. I'm going to build a GTO Judge here on this channel. We're going to do more of an original restoration, which is fine. I kind of did an original restoration on this, so I'm kind of ready to do that again. It didn't work out so bad. So anyway, I'm going to get the heck out of here. I had a great birthday. I want to share the results with you. Loving it. Really liking the stripes and how that thing's coming together. Feeling really good about this thing. So I hope what you have seen can build you some confidence that you can still get things done here at home in a garage or still end up with something like this. It is completely 100% possible. So anyway, appreciate you following me on the journey of the Mockingbird. We're going to do the Ram Air Pans next go around, so you don't want to miss that. That's got some challenges. Still working on some of the details, but I will definitely get all the information that I can in a good detailed video on how to get that stuff on there. So anyway, nonetheless, I've rambled on enough. I'm going to grab the camera, and we'll catch you guys and gals next time.